Right foot first.
Right foot first.
Got it?
Okay.
Bend and then kick out, right?
Okay.
Okay, ready?
I get confused.
You're supposed to knee and then kick.
It's like crotch first.
Crotch first. Finish it off. Crotch first. Finish it off.
People.
What now?
Whoa, great job.
I'm sorry.
Look at it.
I don't think you can get it.
Yeah.
We'll wait until it floats back.
Okay, yeah, it's not working. Zach does not give up. Zach actually dies at one point, but he won't give up. Summon up the nobodies or something.
What the hell was that?
No, like, why is he dead? I don't know. Come, bola. Come, bola. Come to me, bola. Come here, boy. Come here. Come here, little green goose.
Can we use that?
Yeah.
Get that?
But it's floating slowly to our region.
Careful.
And away it goes. Safely back to our spot. Guys, seriously, if you think about leaving her unattended like this, I'm gonna steal her. Like, nah.
Excuse you. Don't leave me out on the phone.
Did you record that?
Do you mind?
Zach, on his days off, is a pool boy.
Oh yeah.
Totally. We could sit on the ground, like by the pool.
Yeah.
My shoes are cooler than yours. Can you? You mind?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Your hair is not cool enough.
I don't get it. What are you supposed to be?
I'm supposed to be Roxas.
Or
Those? Or what?
With those?
With what?
With
Roxas
those.
is usually a girl.
There's nothing there. What are you talking about?
Wow.
Are you sure about that?
Oh my god, look! I can look into the
It's gone.
sun!
That's not what the leather's telling me. God damn you. she's pressing her arms like this.
What are you supposed to be?
What is that supposed to mean?
What are you supposed to be?
Why? Because they're not there?
Sit with me. By the water.
For some reason this reminds me of like an Axel and Roxas thing. Just, I don't know.
Yeah,
You get the-
Raxel. I think Raxel.
Raxel? Whoa!
Axel.
That's the baby's name.
Has more luscious.
That's gonna be the baby's name.
Totally. Where are you going?
We're pedophiles.
Okay. Let's try to take some pictures, I guess.
Hey, say Roxas, say Roxas.
Those are awesome shoes, aren't they? See, look, the hair is like better in the daylight. That's it. And you take pictures.
Okay, so I am video.
Huh?
I end video?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you have to press things randomly sometimes because then.